Welcome back to the channel. This is our completely free course for you, showing you how to set up a newsletter in the best way possible to ensure that you've done everything you can to make this profitable. We're doing this over 30 days to break it down into nice, easy chunks for you. We're here on day 18 and we're talking about how to set up Beehiiv. We told you up here the reasons for doing Beehiiv, why we think it's the tool for you to go for. We've also talked about in this training where you need to find your audience. That's something you want to be thinking about now while you're doing the setup, so you can go find all of those different places. And we talked about lots and lots of different things on this course, so you can see these are all the different things that we've covered. We've covered AI, we've covered how you are going to find your first people to sign up. We've talked about the different platforms that you can use, the different tools you can use. And what we're going to do today is talk about setting up Beehiiv. This is the newsletter we're going to build. This is the work-life ethos. It is a B2C newsletter. If you wanted to see why we picked B2C, it's basically because it's going to make you more money per sponsorship. Go back and watch video 3, 4 in this course. If you want to know why we picked this particular niche and what this newsletter is going to be about, then you can go and watch video 5. If you need help picking a niche, videos 1 and 2 will help you out. But what I want to do today is I want to talk you through Beehiiv. I want to show you the dashboard, show you around what it's going to look like. You're going to have 14 days free trial. That's 14 days of access to their platform before you have to start paying for their tools that have a price attached to them. The free plan, it's limited. It does get you up to 2,500 subscribers, but you can use some of the methods I showed you in the previous video to get subscribers for free, and we'll give you more advice on that next week, exactly how to do it. But you want to make the most of that first 14 days. So what I want to talk to you today, I'm going to show you through the dashboard, but before we do that, I want to tell you what you need to have ready before you sign up, because you want to make sure that you've done everything you can beforehand, so that as soon as you sign up, you're not wasting time trying to sort things out. So the things that you need to have ready to go before you get started are these. You need to pick your email address. Now this sounds like it might be a little bit of a silly one, but if you want to go and set up a completely separate email account to be linked into your Beehiiv, or you want to not attach it to your work or your personal email, then have a think about which email address you're going to link this to, especially if you're thinking about maybe one day selling on the publication. The second thing you need is a publication name. What are you going to call your publication? Now again, this is something you might want to spend a little bit of time thinking about. I wouldn't recommend spending too much time, and you can actually go online and find AI generators that will give you business names, company names, and ChatGPT will do it for you as well. So if you're struggling, that's somewhere you can go to help you out. But come up with your publication name first, because as you go through the setup process on Beehiiv, this is what you're going to be asked for. Then your URL. Now you're going to be given your own URL, which will have Beehiiv in the name of it, but you actually need to put your publication name into the URL. Now this might just be the same thing. So for example, if it was Jack's newsletter, then that might be my URL as well, but you might want to go for something different. So have a think about what you want the URL to be. And then the last thing you're going to need in the setup process is you're going to need some kind of logo. Now again, this can be swapped out, and you can actually skip these stages in the setup, but again, why bother? Why not just do it before you sign up? You're going to need some kind of logo, but you can swap it out later for a different logo. If you need a place to go in order to get logos, then one place you might want to check out is Fiverr. So if you're not familiar with Fiverr, this is what it looks like. I'll leave a link down in the description, as well as a link to Beehiiv as well. All you need to do is go down here, put whatever service you want. So you can put logo in, for example, and then it will go ahead and it will find you people that will make a logo for you. Okay, so use that link down in the description. I'll give you a couple of examples down there as well of people that you can go and check out. You've got all of this up here. So for example, if you want to set your value down low, if you want to talk to someone who's online, so if you've got quite a quick turnaround that you want, I quite like clicking this one where you can contact people that are actually online now, and then you can check out different people that will make logos for you depending on what you want. And then you can go in, check out their designs, find something you quite like the look of, and then go ahead and you can use them in order to produce your logo if that's something you're looking for and you don't want to do it yourself. There are AI logo creators. You can go and put that into Google and do it yourself. But if you want something that looks a little bit more professional, something like this or over here like this, then you can come over to Fiverr, and like as I said, the link will be in the description. So once you've got all of these things made, then just go over to Beehiiv. Again, the link will be down in the description. Hit start trial. When you do that, you do actually get access for that first 14 days to all of their features, which is an amazing opportunity to check out what they can do. But once you've done all of that setup, this is what the dashboard looks like. So we're not going to go ahead and set up a lot of things today because, as I said, this is just an overview so you can get prepared. But you can see here on the dashboard, we've got all our information here, which obviously, as I've just set this up, we don't have any actual data. We've got the right section, which is where you've got post, content tags, and automations. Then we've got grow, which is where you can get access to the tools that allow you to grow on their platform, and I'll definitely recommend checking those out. Monetization, which is how you can then earn from your newsletter within Beehiiv, and we'll talk about some ways you can do that within Beehiiv but also outside of Beehiiv as well. You've got audience, so this is really useful for if you want to get some feedback from your audience. Maybe you want to segment them. So for example, you might want to segment people out if they're interested in different products or different topics so that you can send them additional newsletters. So as you can see, you can do some really cool stuff with this software. And again, you've got the analyze, so we can get reports on how different things are doing, subscribers and posts. And again, we can just go through and you can click on these. You can see what they do. We don't have a huge amount. If you already have an audience, then you can import those subscribers in. If you don't, and like us, you're starting from zero, then you won't need to worry about any of that. And again, you could just go through and you can check out all of these different settings. So once you get into this point, then this is where I recommend you go. You can actually go down to these links if you want, and you can see what your website looks like. And this is where people will put their email address to subscribe. But then what I would do is I would recommend going through these steps. So customize your theme, customize your website, get your first subscriber, and write your first draft. That is the process that they recommend you go through. And so I would then go through and do these stages. When it comes to writing your first draft and your first welcome email, things like that, we recommend Copy. If you go back to where we talk about Copy and how to write your newsletter with AI in this video series, then you'll be able to watch a full walkthrough of how to use Copy. It's the best AI tool for writing newsletters that we have found, but it will also write blogs for you. So if you're doing guest posting to get your newsletter out there and get subscribers, it will cover that. If you're doing email outreach, it will write the emails for you. So it is something you're going to have to pay for, but at the same time, it's got a huge amount of value and you can use it for lots. So as you can see, this is our graph here. It's going to talk us through our active subscribers. Then we go down here. We've got some recommended offers that we're going to see, which is part of Boost, and we'll talk about that in a future video. But that is our overview today for Beehiiv. That's what everything is going to look like. I will say before you go that I'll put a link down in the description to the blog on Beehiiv, because the blog I think is a brilliant resource. So when you're on the homepage, you can click on this, go over to blog, and it's got loads and loads of articles and ideas that you can read through. So things like alt text information, how to structure a newsletter, which we've covered in this course, but you can check that out. All these different things that you can read, and it's got the search bar here as well. So if there's something in particular you need help with, then you can access that. So yeah, lots of really useful information and some good resources for you to learn more about how to use the platform. And again, I'll put a link to this page down in the description. That's everything we're going to cover in this video. We'll go more into a deep dive of setting up Beehiiv tomorrow. If you're interested in checking out more of our videos, then you can click on the card above Remember, all the links to the software are below, and we'll see you in the next one.